Hello, in this video we're going to start adding content into our app through the modules. So once you are okay with what these instructions are telling you to do, to click to add the modules in and then rearrange them and save your changes, then you can click off of this screen and it'll let you do that. So right here, up here, is where the active modules are going to be. Down here is what you can put on your app that we have in our software. So if you wanted to add map, Flickr, events, and products, you click on them and then they become active onto your app. Once you're okay with your changes, you hit the check mark and then they show up right here in the order that you have them. If you want the Flickr to be the first one here, you just drag it, hit the check mark, and it'll reorder itself onto the app and here on our software as well. The first content that we're going to add in is our Flickr account. So what you'll have to do is add your Flickr account separately from here, and then if you want all your photos to stream onto your app, then you have to link your Flickr account and you click it and you type in your username for your Flickr account, which it already pre-generated because I have my Flickr account saved onto my desktop. So after you link your Flickr account, then you'll see here that all your photos stream onto here. And if you want to edit the captions of the videos and add more, you'll have to go onto your Flickr account and do that. And all changes will be instantly added into your mobile app. Okay, now moving on to the news module. Here you can add in different articles or stories of what you want your customers or people that have your app to see. If you want to add a news article, you just hit the plus, you enter the title here, and then you simply drag and drop a picture in, and then you can copy in content. Once you're completed with that, you can hit the check mark, and your story will pop right onto your app. If you decide that you want this to not be seen anymore, you simply close the eye, hit the check mark. It'll stay in our software but be removed from our app. And if you want it to come back on, you just open the eye and hit the check mark and it repopulates. Okay. Since everything is saved, we can hit leave page. Moving on to our map module. This is a great module to use if people want to find your location very easily, or if you have multiple locations. All you do is you hit the plus mark, you enter the location name, my business, and you put in an address. Okay, and this is the address that we have for MobileDeck. And then if you want any special directions, first building on the right to help your customers find you. And you can put in a phone number there. I'll just put in a fake number for the time being. Okay, hit the check mark, and then it's going to load up onto your app. Now when customers have your app, they just click this and it'll GPS locate step-by-step directions right to your location. And if you wanted to add multiple locations, you just simply hit the plus mark and they'll show up onto your app as well. Okay, since everything has changed, we can hit leave page and we can move on to adding content into the events module. The events modules are great for any type of business when you want people to know exactly what's going on and the time and details about it. So if you're a business, you could do a trade show. So annual trade show that you're having, you put in the date. Let's say it's on the July 16th. You can say it's from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the location could be in the Apple Hall. Cost, maybe $25 a ticket. This is all made up. We don't actually have a trade show going on, but you get the idea. And then the trade show could be something about mobile applications. Hit the check mark, and then it'll come up right here, and you can add all your events in to show everything that's going on with your business so your customers don't miss anything. The next module we're going to do is for products. So if you want to display different products that your business has, all you have to do is hit the plus mark. I'm going to do something fun like ice cream. Price $2 for a cone. And then you drag and drop in the image that you want to display. And you can say, stop in this summer for an ice cream cone. Let's say it's a summer special that you have. You hit the check mark, and now everybody knows that you have $2 ice cream cones at your store for the summer. You can list all your products there. It doesn't have to be ice cream. It could be anything that your business offers to your customers. In our next video, we are going to explore other modules and loading content into them.